How to use Beehiiv newsletter. In this video, I'll show you how to use Beehiiv newsletter. So using Beehiiv to run your newsletter is like having a full publishing suite at your fingertips, designed for creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want simplicity without sacrificing power. So first, you need to go ahead and set up your website on Beehiiv. So click on this website button at the left side of your screen, and then under that, you'll be able to find a builder section. Don't get too stressed if you're a beginner on Beehiiv, since the user interface of Beehiiv is quite similar with WordPress Elementor. So you just need to drag and drop items from the elements to your canvas. So once you're done clicking on that builder button, that will take you in here. So you need to pick a template that you want to use. You can also use a blank canvas if you prefer that. So you can use basic templates. You can also use advanced templates. So simply look for a template that you want to use for your newsletter. So make sure that it fits your style and the approach that you're aiming for your newsletter. And then click on that, and then click on that next button at the top right of your screen. Now, once you're done selecting a template, you need to go ahead and proceed with the next step. Now, in here, you need to set the color palette along with the font of your text. So the color palette is actually a very important part when setting your website, since this would actually make the guests to connect more with your newsletter. So once you're done setting the color palette, you need to go ahead and update your typography depending on the style of typography that you want to use for your page. So you can simply use the search bar in here to look for a font style that you want to use for your specific typography on your page. And then once you're done with this, click on this next button at the top right of your screen. And then in here, you need to go ahead and select the website pages that would come along with your landing page. So click on the start building at the top right. And then once this is done, you can go ahead and proceed on clicking on this next button at the top right of your screen. So you need to view your page on different modes, such as mobile, PC, and on live, before you can actually publish this online. So once you're satisfied with how it looks like on that different mode, you can go ahead and find a publish button at the top right of your screen. So to publish your site, you need to simply click on that publish button to publish it online. And that is how you can basically use Beehiiv newsletter. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.